welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. My name is Ed. I want to talk to you about the address lists in Exchange 2016, well 2016, 2013, 2019. And I notice a lot of people don't actually keep their address lists up to date from customers that I've seen. And it's not something major, but I wanted to show you that if you head over to Organization in the Exchange Admin Center, you click on Address Lists, you can see here it says it's not up to date, except for that one. If I click on, for example, Contacts, and you'll see here it says not up to date, some changes were recently made to this address list, update. Simply click Update. You can see the warning. It tells you that if it contains more than 3,000 recipients, then you should actually run the management shell command to do it. But because it's a test lab, there's only like 5 users and 2-3 contacts, you can click yes. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Now if you come down to public folders and you click this, what it tells you is during this time you won't be able to use the Exchange Admin Center to perform other tasks. So again, you can click update and it's up to date, but because my organization is so small. Now you can do the same for all the others, and you can do it here. And then of course you can obviously use PowerShell if you don't have access to the Exchange Admin Center to do this. So as you can see, it's nothing major. It's just something that I've noticed, that you should keep your address list up to date. And that is how simple it is. Thank you very much for watching.